Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान हे पार्क तयार केल्ले आसा. विविध तरेचे प्लांटेशन हांगा पळोवंक मेळटा. खास करून वखदाची झाडां खुबशीं पळोवंक मेळटा. आनी ह्या पार्काक फुडल्या वर्सा 2021 ते रावपा खातीर सोय करतले. हेजो आमकां व्यवसाय मेळटलो. आमच्या लोकांक काम मेळटलें, आपलो व्यवसाय करूंक मेळटलो, हांगा कॅन्टीन चलोवंक मेळटलें. हांगा हँडिक्राफ्टा मार्फत जी आमी गांवाक जे तयार जाता ते हांगसर विकूंक हाडूंक मेळटलें. आतां फुडें डिसेंबर साकून वॉटरफॉलाक एपाची सिस्टम जाल्ली आसा. क्यू सिस्टम नासतली. एपा प्रमाणेच तांचो नंबर लागतलो. हांगसर तांबडी सुर्लाई आसा. टुरिजम व्यवसायाक आमच्या फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां ताका प्रोत्साहन दिल्लें आसा. नोव्हेंबराच्या लास्ट वीक मुख्यमंत्र्याचे हस्ते हेजे उक्तावण जातले.
तो मुल्लेम यहाँ दूधसागर वॉल्स है, मुल्लेम नेशनल पार्क के सेंचुरी में काफी लोग आते हैं. वो हम मद्देनजर रख के ये साइट को हमने चुना है. एक 2-3 साल पहले यहाँ एक तूफान भी हुआ था. काफी पेड़ वगैरह गिर के थोड़ा बैरन लैंड जैसे हुआ था. तो उसको भी हमने यूज करके उसको नेचुरली रख के यहाँ का एक सौंदर्य को रख के हमने इसको डेवलप किया है. यहाँ लोगों को, आने वाले लोगों के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, उनके लिए क्या क्या चाहिए खेलने के लिए वो भी हमने यहाँ रखेंगे. बर्ड वॉचिंग का हमने फैसिलिटी देंगे. बटरफ्लाई कंजर्वेटरी यहाँ एक बनाया है, नेचुरली रखा है.
Soon after the election, Churchill Alemao, along with Luisin Falero, was at my flat in Benjum to form the government. Rohan Conde has come and met us in my flat. I have gone to the south and brought one independent MLA. Digvijay Singh was dealing with Vijay Sarjasai and others. We were trying to form the government, and Luisin has done his best to try and get everybody together. 2 days before my election, and it is on record, I said that Goa Forward Party is going to go with BJP because in Saligaon, Michael Lobo was supporting Jayesh Salgaonkar. In Sholim, Michael Lobo was supporting Palyankar, including money. He was spending money also for these candidates. You ask Dilip Parulekar, you ask Dayanand Manrekar. Obviously, there was a deal before the election itself that this Goa Forward will go with BJP. So it is not right that Congress didn't do efforts. It is a fact that Goa Forward ditched us at the last minute. And even now, when they say we want an alliance, how do you trust a party who is in the NDA? How do you trust a lone MLA of NCP who says I'm giving issue-based support? Till today, he's giving issue-based support to the BJP government.
आमचे अहमद भाई हांचो तर काँग्रेसी कडेन घनिश्ठ संबंध फाटली म्हाका दिसता 6 वर्सां ते लोकसभा आणि राज्यसभेचे वांगडी उरल्यात.
तरुणजी गोगोय 15 वर्सांक चीफ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो आसामाचो and he did a lot of development for the northeast region and Assam.
जे दोगांयचे मोडना एक आमकां काँग्रेसान बुकरून there's a big void which will be difficult to be filled. ताणें काँग्रेसा खातीर जायतें केलां आनी पळयल्लें आसा.
सगळ्या पक्षां कडेन ताचे रिलेशन्स, केन्नाय कितें इमर्जन्सी जाली, प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक जाय जाल्यार रातचो 12, 1 न्ही 2, 3 सुद्दां म्हणजे आमची चीफ मिनिस्टराचो SCZाचो इशू घेवन गेल्लो तेन्ना म्हाका याद जाता की म्हाका काँग्रेसच्या अध्यक्षान सांगलें ताका मेळ्ळान ताका मातसो ब्रीफ कर डिटेल ताका रातचे 12, 1 म्हाका तो सगळें घेवन यो म्हणून. ताचे सारके मनशाची आयच्या परिस्थितीत जर चड गरज आशिल्ली.
Unflinching loyalty to the leadership and die-hard commitment to the party was the hallmark of these two great leaders. Very difficult to find such people in the party now. And our party is at the crossroads. A very crucial time we have lost these great leaders.